This right here is my first cast, first bass on the popper, you guys, on the 3-inch popper. So let's see if we can keep it going. That's so cool. He bit that. He bit it when I got through popping it. He bit it when it was sitting still. Hey. Oh, you ready to see if you can get it started? Is that guy coming to see if he can work on it? How in the world did you find that out? You. Uh-oh. Man, I just got a big bass. I just got a big bass. Hello, big bass. Get your butt in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just got a big bass. Oh my goodness. I gotta turn this GoPro off, man, because they're over here. Alright, you guys. I'm Clyde Demery, and welcome to an episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Decided to come to Clearwater again. Try my luck, see if anything was hitting. Tied on a 3-inch popper and popped it a few times on the first cast. Check out what I got, you guys. I'm not gonna weigh this guy. He's a nice size, but so like I said, I'm not gonna weigh him. Let's get him back in the water. Thank you, guys. I think the popper has popped his last bass in this area. So let's go with ghost. What is it? Shallow shad is Rapala. The shallow shad ghost jerk bait. Let's try this. That's something. First cast. Alright, first cast, you guys. Let's see what we got. Look like a chain pickerel, guys. Oh. That's why I didn't want to throw this jerk bait out there, because the chain pickerels love this thing. So let's see if we can get him off and get him back in the water, okay, guys? Uh-oh. Let's see what this is. I hope this ain't the same one, you guys. But another chain pickerel, guys. No. Ain't nothing. I got 2 more chain pickerels. So I got 2. Oh man. 2 bass and 2 pickerels, and I think I got a bass right here. You bit the popper. Nice bass. Nice, real nice. Yeah. Got another one on the popper. They tearing this popper up, man. Just got the, okay, let me, no, it's big popper. This is the 3-inch. Yeah. I just got another one on the popper, y'all. So I got 3 bass and 2 chain pickerels. I got 3 of the bass on the popper. water.